Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to answer one of your questions. So the question is coming from my good friend Michael, okay? So, great advice Konstantinos, what kind of conversion rates are you looking at for leads you acquire on Facebook lead forms via landing pages? And have you tried using Facebook Messenger ads? Let me reply to that. I think I have analyzed also in several of my videos that when you want lead generation, we are having completely different results in terms of quality and in terms of cost when we're doing them in a landing page or in the lead generation forms within Facebook. When you're doing it within Facebook, you are having less cost per lead, but the quality most of the times is not as good as it is compared to the landing page. On the other hand, when you are sending people to your landing page, you are having a bigger risk of your landing page not be as good. If your landing page is very good, then always send people to there because the quality over there is going to be better. When you are sending someone to a landing page and this person is going to convert, it shows more intent of actually becoming a lead of yours. So yes, the quality is always better there, and I can tell you that sometimes it can be 80% better or 70% better in several cases when you send someone in terms of closing leads, when you send someone in a landing page, but the cost might skyrocket compared to what you are getting in the forms. Now, a workaround in order to improve a little bit the results in the forms within Facebook is doing screening questions. Questions that are going to help you screen if a lead is good or bad. And in my opinion, these questions, if you do one or two, you will find the combination at some point or the right question to ask. It's going to actually make some people not to fill the form if they think that they cannot answer it, or if you see that they have a wrong answer, you are not even going to contact them. At the end of the day, doing things here and there, making it a little bit more difficult for them to become a lead, it's going to help you in terms of quality, it's going to make your cost rise. Now, when it comes to Messenger ads, I can tell you that they are not as effective as they used to be. Messenger has a lot of issues after the iOS changes, and over there you're having also the automated answers that you can give and the questions and stuff, which is going to help you. But in terms of closing the leads from the Messenger, you need to have a very good team, and you need to have a product that it's actually tailored to someone that needs a discussion about it, okay? So it really depends on how difficult it is to make someone your lead, okay? So if they need extra customer support, which is going to help through the chat, try it. But I believe that the best conversion rate, it's still going to be the landing page, and this is not going to change. So in my opinion, if you want to get leads, work a lot into your landing page in something that is going to convert well for you and the leads, because this is what is going to give you money. On the other hand, I need to tell you that always in the accounts that I'm managing with percentages. For example, whatever is working better gets 70% and the other 30% goes to the other method that is working. In the case that we have a very good landing page, we're giving 70% of the budget there, and we give 30% of the other budget to the lead generation forms within the platform. I can tell you that a lot of times companies want to have only 100% of this, 100% of that. I try always to do 70-30, okay? Even 50-50 if they want to split it like this. But whatever is working is taking most of my budget, and most of the times whatever is working in terms of better results, which means also that for new accounts, you need a period of time for the ads to run in the page so that the pixel can learn and can still target better and better and better. And then when the pixel is getting better and better, we actually stop the lead generation forms within Facebook and we do only the landing page, because at that point we have a good working landing page and we are sending people there. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, don't forget to check my book and my free course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.